Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use icons on Snappa for eye-catching designs. To use icons effectively in Snappa, follow these steps. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to snappa.com. Start by logging into a Snappa account and open the project you want to edit. I'm just going to use a template from here. Now, select icons from the available option. Go to the graphics tab, or you can also click on the graphics menu and you will find the icons tab. Snappa offers a large section of icons that you can use in your design. Browse the available icons until you find one that complements your theme and add value to your message. Click on the icon you want and it will appear on your canvas. Resize and position it as needed by dragging the corners or moving it around on the canvas. Use the opacity slider to adjust the icon's transparency if you want a more subtle effect. Snappa also allows you to layer multiple icons or place them behind or in front of other elements to create depth in a design. Place icons in a strategic area of your design, such as near important text or to draw attention to a specific message. Experiment with different placement until the icon feels well integrated into the overall design. Preview your design to ensure that the icons contribute to the visual flow and don't distract from other elements. Once satisfied, download or export your design. By following these steps, you can use icons in Snappa to enhance the design's visual appeal and create eye-catching professional quality graphics. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.